The core functionality lies in its ability to connect pivot points and draw trend lines. This is a tool designed to help traders identify potential market breakouts and reversals. A trend line is one of the most reliable tools in technical analysis, as price consistently respects it. The auto trend lines indicators on TradingView can significantly simplify your trading. In this video, we'll explore 5 of my favorite auto trendline tools, including a surprising 5th indicator that you won't expect. The first script we're reviewing today is specifically designed to plot trend lines using pivot points from price charts. The core functionality lies in its ability to connect pivot points and draw trend lines that can extend infinitely or for a specified number of bars. Users have the option to base these trend lines on the wicks or real bodies of candles. The script identifies when the price breaks above or below trend lines and can send alerts for these events. It also allows traders to filter signals based on direction. For example, only showing upward breaks for trend lines drawn from highs, or downward breaks for those from lows. Customization is another key strength. The indicator supports logarithmic charts, and traders can choose to display trend lines in monochrome or color. To keep charts clean and manageable, it includes an option to limit the number of visible trend lines, addressing the common issue of cluttered screens. Frequent updates ensure the script remains reliable. Whether you analyze pivot points or need custom alerts, this script can be a valuable addition to your trading setup. It's called Trendlines, JD by Doik. Our next indicator is designed to provide a fresh perspective on market trends. It automatically detects pivot points in price action and draws unique curved trend lines, resembling scythes or blades, that adapt dynamically to market volatility. This curvature is calculated using the average true range, or ATR, which helps reflect the natural ebb and flow of market volatility. Another key feature of the script is its ability to detect breakouts automatically. It identifies when price action moves beyond the curved trend lines, signaling potential trend reversals. But it doesn't stop there. The script also incorporates target detection, helping traders identify realistic profit-taking levels. These targets are calculated using market volatility. You can adjust the pivot length, the length of the scythe's blade, and the sensitivity of the target calculations. Whether you're using it to confirm existing trends, spot breakouts, or define clear targets, Trendline Scythes is designed to enhance your approach to the markets. That said, like any tool, it's not without its challenges. Configuring settings to match your trading style may require some trial and error, and understanding the nuances of curved trend lines might take a bit of practice. However, the benefits of this unique perspective far outweigh the learning curve. The third indicator is a compact and well-constructed script implementation that combines efficiency with versatility, providing traders with a robust tool for trendline and breakout analysis. At its core, the script leverages pivot points, key moments in price action where market sentiment can shift. This script delivers essential features such as adjustable inputs, customizable styles, and alert systems. Key settings include the ability to adjust pivot length, select different styles and extensions for trend lines, and tweak colors for better visual alignment with trading charts. Alerts can also be configured to notify users about events like trendline breaks. A standout feature is the option to use external sources for trendline and breakout detection, making the indicator more adaptable to other data inputs. The pivot system itself has been refined, transitioning from a custom approach to PineScript's built-in functionality, significantly improving runtime performance and accuracy. This tool is called Pivot Trendlines with Breaks HG by Juan Getty. Overall, the Pivot Trendlines and Breaks indicator is a thoughtfully designed and robust tool that balances efficiency, simplicity, and functionality. The indicator in our collection is my personal favorite due to its simplicity and padding feature, as well as the signal reliability. I have a complete strategy tutorial on it, and I'll include the link in description if you're interested. This is a tool designed to help traders identify potential market breakouts and reversals by utilizing pivot points to construct trend lines. These trend lines serve as key reference levels, where price movements may either break out or experience a retest. It uses a calculation period, which defines the look-back period to identify pivot points, and this period directly influences the creation of the trend lines. The spacing between these trend lines is controlled through a padding input, allowing traders to adjust the distance between the trend lines for better visualization and analysis. The indicator also includes breakout signals that are plotted on the chart when the price moves beyond a trend line. Trend lines are formed when two consecutive pivot points are identified, with each pivot being either higher or lower than the previous one. The period input determines the number of bars used in finding these pivots, offering flexibility in how trend lines are drawn. Once a trend line is established, the indicator tracks price movement for any breakouts, and a signal is generated when price moves beyond the trend line, which could suggest a change in market sentiment. After a breakout, price may return to the trend line, testing it as support or resistance. This retest scenario is an essential part of market analysis, as prices that bounce off the trend line may signal a continuation of the existing trend. It's called the liquidity trend line with signals by Big Beluga. The fifth and final indicator we'll cover today is unique and stands apart from traditional auto trendline indicators available on TradingView. Despite its unconventional approach, it proves highly effective in identifying valid trendline breaks, confirmed by the RSI. This indicator is designed to help traders identify potential breakout points using pivot-based trend lines on the relative strength index, similar to the way trend lines are used on price charts. Applying them to the RSI can provide valuable insights into market direction and momentum. This indicator operates using a pivot-based system that identifies swing highs and lows on the RSI in real time. It then generates trend lines based on these pivots. The breakout alerts provided by this tool are intended to serve as additional confluence for traders rather than standalone trading signals. While breakouts are detected whenever the price crosses these trend lines, no additional conditions are applied to refine the alerts, allowing the trader to interpret them in the context of other analysis tools. A breakout is confirmed if the RSI moves above or below the trend line by a defined threshold, which can be adjusted according to your preferences. Repainting can be enabled for immediate alerts, or it can be turned off, with alerts generated only after a candle has closed. It's called RSI Trend Lines, with breakouts by Hoan Getty. This indicator is a helpful tool for traders looking to incorporate RSI-based trend lines into their analysis. Are you searching for an effective pullback tool? In this video, we review 5 of the most powerful pullback indicators available on TradingView.